Welcome back to my another episode. So let's get our hands dirty by doing some another 2 or 3 more tests. So this is not our credit as it ships with default React app. So we want to run 2 or 3 tests by our own accord. So for doing that, what we need to do? So what the elements we another elements we have here? Let's see. We have image and link element. Okay, so we want to run test. So to run the test, one more test, you need to follow the convention, and this is test. So what we need to do, we need to render logo image. Okay, and this is the convention, you have to follow it. And give it a variable name, say image element. Okay, elements, screen get by role. Get by role, and the role name is image. So where from I am getting the image, as I know, but I am showing you. So if you don't understand what is get by role, and you should congratulate, everyone should congratulate us, is because we are using get by role. This is the first priority. This is the first priority. Okay, you see, this is in the queue. This is a string in the first, so this is the first priority. So get by role, then get by label, then get by placeholder text, get by text. So I will come deep dive for this priority queue. So I am using it get by role, and from where I am getting the image, I can show you the area role. There is a chart over here. Along with that, I can show you another thing, and that after having test, after passing the test, I am showing you. So expect, this is the assertion. What we are expecting, we are expecting image text, okay, to be in the document. Okay, it should be in the document. Okay, let's see, we have passed our test or not. Oh, there is a great fault. It should be failed because we have not render our app. Okay, render our app. Based on app, they will run the test. So I think this time this test will pass. Again fail. Get by role, anything fault, render image. Expect is not defined. Oh, sorry, there is a typo over here. Expect. Congratulations, our first test have been passed. This is not our test, this is our first test. So let's do another test and expect image element to have attributes, say we have attributes src. You see, this is src, we are testing that, testing src, and its name is logo sbg. From where I am getting logo sbg, you see, this is, so it's logo sbg. We need to find out from where yes, this is logo sbg. You see, this is logo sbg, not png. So this is not in the public folder, so wrongfully I have looking for in public folder. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's do for another test. This test is passed, so expect image and go for link test. Okay, or alter test. Image element to have attribute say lt alter, say what's its name, logo. This is this one, alter test. Okay, let's see whether test have been passed or not. Congratulations. So our test have been passed. So let's go for another test by your own accord, and that is renders learn react act. Renders learn react link. We have link over here, you see, this is the link. Excuse me. Okay, so what we need to do, follow the convention, and we need to render. So redundantly we are writing render 3 times render. So it has the solution also. It has the solution. Its name is setup and tear down. I am showing you later how we get rid from this redundancy. Okay, so render app, and const say link element equal to screen. This is the screen we have imported from React testing library. So the screen has some different query elements by anything. So I am get by role, say get by role. This is get by role. Okay, you can get the suggestion from IntelliSense. And get by role what's his name, link. So this is the magic from where I am getting it. So I am showing you, don't worry, a little bit later, and think this will work. Link, as we have only one link, so if we have more, then we have another technique to grab the element. Okay, so expect link element to be in the document. Okay, link element to be in the document, Let's see our test is passed or failed. Passed, congratulations. And expect link element to have attributes, and its name is href, and give the link, whether if the link, so we want to make sure these attributes are here or not, and expect link element to have attribute like target. This is target. Okay, and another one is tail. Okay, target, and it's blank. I hope if there is no typo, it will pass. Failed. Maybe there is a typo. Okay, we are copying these things from here. Yeah, typo. And another thing, expect link element to have attribute, and that is rel, and let's see whether it is passed or not. Yeah, all of our tests have been passed. So in the mid of the tutorial, I want to show you the form where I am getting this role, get by role, by using your first priority. We are getting the role, say you have the app up and running, and go to the inspect elements, and from performance you have to have this plugin or Chrome extension installed in your system. Okay, and testing playground, this name is testing playground. So upon once you come here and give it a refresh and select this element, select element, and see this is the, you see the long role, this is role is link, and image role, this is banner. You will get the role from here and every detail. Okay, this is the role you get by role link. So this is very handy. You can use React testing playground. This playground will give you suggestion about the role name. Sometimes it is tough to get the role name. So if we cannot get the role name from this testing playground, so it has another website. I'll show you in the next tutorial from where you can get the role. Even though if you cannot get the role name, we have another substitute way according to the priority, get by level text, get by, and if these things are not suffice, that this is the last resort, you can use it, get by test id. I will show you the uses of the get by test id. So today no more. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. So if you get the full-blown testing app, you can buy this course from Udemy. 50% will be free and 50% will be paid. So like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon. Thank you very much.